How to schedule Lyft ride in advance, or how to schedule Lyft in advance. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can schedule Lyft in advance. Now, as you know, you can schedule a Lyft ride in advance before 30 days. Now, as for the 30 days, for the upcoming 30 days, you'll be able to book a ride today. So how do you do it? In order to do it, all you have to do is you'll have to open up the Lyft application, and there you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this. Now, in my case, it's not available in my region. However, I'll be able to show you how you can schedule it. At the bottom of your screen, you can see rides option, rentals option, and trips option. Simply tap on the trips option at the bottom right corner of your screen and you will get an interface like this. Now here, what you want to do is you can see schedule a ride option. Simply tap on it and it'll ask you to choose a pickup time. Now you can simply choose a pickup time and you can choose your date as well. In my case, since it's unavailable in my region, I'm not being able to do so. But once you choose a pickup time, simply tap on next, and once you tap on next, it'll ask you to choose the ride. So you will get a list of rides there. You want to simply select it, and once you select the ride, your ride will be booked. So this way you can schedule Lyft ride in advance. If you want to cancel it, you can cancel it, but there might be some cancellation charges depending on the time of period you cancel it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.